Hi there, it's Ellie from Minerva. Today I'll be showing you the brand new look sewing patterns available on Minerva. We've also matched these up with fabrics that we feel are perfect with each pattern. So the first one is 6691. The size is US 6 to 18. It's a trouser in two styles. I think this is really lovely for the spring and summertime. You've got one that is tapered into the ankle, and you've got the next one that's just flared, and then it's got the slits up the side, which I think is really sweet, especially for a going out outfit. Now, if you were going to pair this up, you would pair it up with JLL0004 in the teal. Now this is lovely, it's got that linen feel, which is really nice for a trouser. It's really lightweight, super perfect for a summer look. You could definitely, wear this out for a going out outfit. It would definitely fit in, and the colour is just perfect. It really pops and screams summer. The next one is 6690. This is a lovely high-waisted skirt in two styles, so you've got different lengths. I think it's really lovely as well because it pulls over to the side, and then you've got an option of buttons or a zip. I think they're really lovely, especially for something formal, maybe for a work like in the office or an interview, or you could even do it for a nighttime look, so something a bit more glam, maybe in leather or something like that, if that's what you're into. Now the one we've matched it up with is in the style of C8211 in blue. This is such a nice denim. It's really bright actually. Hopefully you can see on the screen. It's got such a durable feeling to it. It's got a bit of the stretch. It just feels really resistant. It feels like such a good material. I feel like this would look really good as a casual look with a top tucked in, or even like a cropped top, something like that, and a pair of sneakers, or you could make it a bit more smarter with tights and a pair of boots. So our next pattern is 6689. It's a top and trouser combo. I think this is so lovely because you could definitely see it as a loungewear piece, depending on the material, or if you're into the gym or you like exercise, something like that, you could wear it as a lycra piece. It's very versatile, and it's got that lovely little ruche, so it does pull up if you need to. There's plenty of room in it. It's not too tight on the body. Now the one that we've paired this up with is the MT97391004 in this gorgeous teal colour. Now I absolutely love this material. It's so nice. It feels super soft. It's also got a fluffy side to it on the inside, so it's going to be cozy and really warm. But again, it's not too heavy on the body. It's really light, which is going to be perfect for them spring and summer times in an early morning, maybe when it's a bit cooler, or on a night time, which is, perfect really. Our next design is 6687. It's a top and a skirt combo. Now I think this is really lovely because the top is quite unusual. It's got like a triangle neckline, which I think is really striking, and then it's got a full ruche side, which is really complimentary for someone with curves or anything like that. It really helps to shape that body. And something that I love about the skirt is that it's elasticated on the waist. It's not got zipping, which if you're one of these people that don't like sewing zips in like me, then it's a perfect combination really. Now you could do it in the same material, and it could be like a formal outfit and make it look a bit more like a dress, or you could do it in two contrasting materials. It's entirely up to you. The one we've picked is the style of JLJ0272 in a terracotta colour. It's really lovely actually because it's super lightweight. It's got some stretch in it. It is more like t-shirt material, so you're not going to get too warm in the spring and the summer, and it's going to be loose on your body as well. It's not going to be too tight, and it's got some. Our next design is 6686. and it is like a cardigan with a top insert, so it's all part of one piece. You could say it's like a long dress or top because we have matched it up with jeans and heels on the model, but it's entirely up to you. So it's got that lovely feel to it. Again, you could use it as loungewear. It's got that feel to it depending on which material you use, or it could be something, you know, that you wear in the daytime. It could totally work for that. Now the one that we've matched it up with is MR1004116. Now I absolutely love this. It's got lots of shades of red in it. It feels so soft, and it's so lightweight as well. Like, I was so surprised when I had a look at this, like how breathable it is. So it'd be perfect for spring. You know, you're not going to get too warm as well, especially because there's sleeves on the pattern. That's something that I'm always thinking about with summer, whether to put jackets on, you know, and just wear a no sleeve. But this would be perfect. You'd definitely not get too cold on a night time, and you definitely won't get too warm in the daytime. Our next pattern is 6685. It's a top in 2 different styles. So the body is the same, but there is one without sleeves, and then you've got one with a full sleeve and ties at the bottom around the wrists, which I think is really sweet. It pulls it in and creates that blouse feel. You've also got a tie around the neckline, which I think is lovely as well, with that little gap just peeking through, which I think is really sweet. Now this for me feels like office or workwear, or an interview, something like that, something very formal. I feel like this would be great with a high-waisted skirt, something like that, or a pair of trousers that are a bit more flared. I think that would be lovely. So we've paired this one up with the LL023290004A. It's this gorgeous silk design. It's leaves with green and pink. It feels so soft. I could feel like, you know, it's definitely got that like lingerie feel to, you know, the pajamas and stuff like that. So, you know, it's not heavy on the body. It feels super light. I feel like you could wear this definitely, as I said, in the office, or something a bit more formal like an interview, or if you've got like a party or something like that, you could definitely make that combo, make it a bit more smart casual with a pair of skinny jeans and a pair of heels. That could definitely work as well. Our next one is 6684. It's a top in 2 styles. Now it's got 2 different sleeves. One is a bit more flared and the other is tapered in at the wrists with elastic to create that blousey feel again. Now you've got some pleats in the top half, in the neckline, which I think is really lovely because it fits more to the body. And then you've got one with an elasticated waist and some ruching, which I think is really sweet as well. Now the material we've paired this one up with is VC0047 in mustard. Now this is a gorgeous design. You see a lot of floral coming in the more spring and summer times, especially in like maxi dresses, stuff like that. It's got a cotton feel, feels really well made, really good quality, and it's light again. So you know you're not going to get too warm. It's going to be lovely for those summer nights out, or if you're going out for, you know, a day out somewhere, and you could wear a denim jacket with it or some sandals, something like that. It definitely fits that sort of brief. So the next design is 6683 in sizes US 4 to 16. I absolutely love this design. I think it's just so cozy and, you know, really nice with the different neck styles and the long sleeves. It's something I would definitely wear with a pair of boots and tights, maybe something like that. So you've got the 2 designs. You could have it with pockets or without, cuff sleeves, and then you've got one with a turtleneck and one with a cowl neck. So you've got 2 options there. So the one that we paired this up with was MT44551138 in this gorgeous orange. Now I absolutely love this material. It's so lightweight, surprisingly. I thought it was going to be really heavy just from the look of it, but it's so lightweight. It's really soft. It's got this gorgeous braided design on it, so it makes it feel like it's knitted. But it'd be perfect for spring and summer, especially like on a colder day, maybe on the rainy days, something like that. It'd be perfect for one of those. The next one is 6682. I absolutely love this one as well. It's got two dresses with the same body but different sleeves. So we've got one with a long sleeve and a cuff, which creates that blouse feel again, and a gorgeous turtleneck. I absolutely love this one. And then we've got the B one, which for me is more like a summer dress. So it's got the relaxed cap sleeve and then just the high neckline, which suits me down to a T. So I would be wearing this with like heels, definitely like smart casual denim jacket, you know, lots of accessories, something like that. But you could definitely, for the B one, you could definitely wear that for a wedding, something like that. It definitely feels like more of an occasion dress. Now the one that we've matched this up with is ABV 105 in orange. Well, it's like an orangey red, burnt orange colour. So it's polka dots with like a leaf design. I think this is really lovely. Again, it's lightweight. It feels like very thin, but very good quality. So it's not going to be see-through. It's got that cotton feel to it. It's really rich. It's got a bit of sheen on it as well. So it's got that silky feel. It'd be perfect for summer, especially for those dresses, and they're going to be flowing off the body as well. They're not going to be stuck to the body, which is lovely. Our next design is 6681. It's a dress in two styles. So we've got one with a turtleneck and a gorgeous ruche skirt, which I absolutely love. And then they both feature these very like 70s, 80s sleeves, very puffy, with the giant cuffs on them. I think they're just so gorgeous. And then you've got the back with a zip on, so an invisible zip, which is quite nice as well. So nothing's seen here, you know, it's not spoiling that effect. Now I could definitely see myself wearing this with a pair of heels. It feels more formal to me, but you could definitely dress it down. It could be nice for, you know, in the office or at work, because it is quite long, so it is covering those legs. Now the one that we matched this up with is JLV 0031 in the grey. Now although it says grey, we've got lots of different colours in here. It's very bright. We've got the teal, we've got green, different blues, yellows and orange, so lots of different pops of summer coming out in this gorgeous leaf design. It is very like jungle safari feel. It fits in really nice with that dress. You know, you could definitely wear it with a denim jacket again, maybe some sneakers. You could down dress it slightly, or again make it a bit more formal for the night time. But this, yeah, definitely is very fun and it screams summer. Our next design is 6680. It's a dress in two styles again. We've got one with a back piece missing and just a strap across, which I think is really nice, especially for more summer. We've both got the long sleeves with the pleats, and then we've got the other one with the full back on it. They've both got the crossover with a tie on the side, which I think is really, really sweet, especially for people with curves. It just really complements that body and pulls it in, which I think is lovely. It's definitely my sort of dress. Now this, you could match it down and have tights and a pair of boots, maybe a denim jacket again, or you could definitely have it as a formal outfit with a little clutch bag and heels and maybe some accessories. So the material we've matched this up with is PR 0001103. It's this gorgeous cornflower blue. It's really nice for summer. It's got that pastel feel to it. It's super light. It's actually really stretchy as well, so it's going to be really nice on the body. It's got a bit of give in it, and you know, it's just super soft. It's going to be really nice in that hot summer to wear this out. Okay, so our last one is 6679. We've got a dress in 2 styles again, in 2 different sleeves mainly. The rest of the body is the same, so you've got some pleats in there, you've got a gorgeous tie with a bow to pull it all in, and then you've got one with a full sleeve and a cap on the end, and then you've got one with a cap sleeve and a cuff round the side, and it is quite high up, so it's got that, you know, that puffy feel to it. Now this is gorgeous. It's definitely an occasion dress, this, for me. Just looking at it, I feel like, you know, you definitely need to wear some heels and a clutch bag and maybe some nice gold accessories. I feel like it definitely is more suited to like a wedding look or a party. So the style we've gone for this one is luxury crepe 33. So we've got this gorgeous red crepe. It's so lovely. The colour is like so bold. It's going to really pop, you know, for those parties or those weddings. It feels really soft again. It's really lightweight. You know, it's not, sometimes you get materials where they're really thin and you can see straight through it. It's not, it's super good quality. And yeah, it's just, it'd be perfect for a wedding or a party, something like that, to, you know, give you that special moment. They were our 12 new patterns from New Look, which are now available on our website. These will be tagged to the video alongside the fabrics that I've shown you, so please have a look to see, you know, if there were any that you saw, you've got them there to just go straight in. If you've got any questions about any features from the video, please comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Don't forget to sign up and follow Minerva. You'll be able to watch a range of videos as well as communicate with other sewing fanatics who are sharing their own makes. Thank you for watching and keep sewing.